China regulators rein in AI chatbots over fears of uncensored replies. Well, yeah, I guess. Yeah, I guess, Will. We're going to have chatbots now in China? Come on, you knew that was... You crazy? He could say anything. Like, it was funny enough over here. They're like, write a poem about Trump. And it's like, and that's over here.
Yeah.
Over there. Can you imagine?
Oh.
Write a poem about...
Like, what's that? Knock on my door.
I'm proud of you, Otis. I'm proud of you, man.
He's like, what's going on?
I am proud of you. You finally made it. That was a true test right there of character. Yeah. He looked right at me and was like, nah, no problem here. Yeah. Nothing to be alerted by. Chinese tech giants have reportedly been told not to offer public access to the U.S.-developed ChatGPT. We knew that was going to happen, but then they were going to go make their own. These companies have already had to censor the output of AI tools like image generators. They already started. They're like, you can't just... hand this type of power over. Imagine all the possibilities. Chinese regulators have reportedly told the country's tech giants not to offer access to AI chatbot ChatGPT over fears the tool will give uncensored replies to politically sensitive questions. People with direct knowledge on the matter. Chinese regulators told tech firms Tencent and Ant Group, the subsidiary e-commerce giant Alibaba, to not only restrict access to the U.S.-developed ChatGPT, but to also report to officials before launching their own rival chatbots. So, like, we're going to need to see that chatbot real quick. That little chatbot you're working on over there. We're going to need to tweak that one a little bit. I don't know how they even know how to. Like, the web is one thing, but... taking down sources or punishing, like, AI?
Yeah, it's not just keywords.
It's tougher.
Yeah.
Although they seem to have done it successfully here just by inserting certain names. It's like, nope, I'm done. You put a certain name in, like...
yeah, it's just a wall.
It's like, nope, I'm out. And some human obviously insert that list of names, and who knows, maybe at some point they're going to have to share it. What that list of names happens to be. You know that list, however, will never be shared in China. They'll be like, what list?
Yeah.
There's no list. Talking about never happened.
Yeah.
There's no list. Yeah, but it's going to be tough to figure out what passes the test and what doesn't on China's version of AI. Well, not just for text-based generation, but also for image-based and every other version of it that has to come out now.
And how different it would be, like, each chatbot in China's or the US's, right?
You're talking about two different realities.
Yeah.
You're talking about Google, no Google.
It could be vastly different.
It will be. It already is.
Yeah, well, they should have a conversation.
Well, your reality and my reality, only because we sit this far apart from each other. So you go watch Ferrari, New Jersey, of Central New Jersey, and then I get it because the algorithm tied us together. But otherwise, there's plenty of people that are nearby one another that live in totally different realities because of social media silos.
Yeah.
Chambers.
Just consumption.
That must be true. That's me and my pals on the screen there. We all agree to it. So therefore, it is true.